Now let us understand the layout of a keyboard. So here you have functional keys. Okay, these are all are called functional keys, and this session is called alphanumeric keys, and this is called navigation key. This is navigation keys, and here you have numpad. Okay, this is called as a number pad or numpad. So let me teach you each one's functions. So here you have first one is escape key. Suppose if something had appeared on your screen, for example, which doesn't have a close button, like small dialog boxes, and it doesn't have a close button, then if you press escape key, it will vanish out from the screen. So for that purpose we are using escape key. Okay, wherever there is no close button, some windows or small dialog box appeared on your screen, then you want to escape from that, then you can press a escape key, ESC. This key is called as a escape key. And here we have with 12 functional keys. Each key has a different functions, so each key's functions will be introduced in upcoming sessions. In our upcoming session, I'll be introducing each functional keys functions, where it used, those things I will be mentioning. And next we have below that we have one session called alphanumeric keys. One session of keys we have, this is called the alphanumeric, where you can see numbers plus alphabets. Here you can see numbers plus alphabets. Okay, so on the it has a 5 line. In the first line we have a draft key, then 1 2 3 till 0, 9 after 0, then minus, then equal. Okay, on top of that keys we have a few more keys. To get that key we need to press a shift key, hold shift key. For example, one on top of it we have exclamatory symbol. If you want to get exclamatory symbol on the screen, means you have to hold shift key and then press 1, then exclamatory symbol is displayed. For example, if you want to type at the rate, so it is displayed above the 2. Okay, so hold on shift key and press 2, then you will get at the rate, and it goes on. Next to the number line we have alphabets in 3 lines. For example, I'll tell you how to type the letters. You have to hold your small finger on A, then on the alphabet is on 3 line. Okay, first line has QWERT and YUIOP, and the second line it has a ASDFG HJKL semicolon and so on. And on the third line we have ZXCVBNM. Okay, so how to type, I'll tell you. First we have to hold our small finger on A, then ring left hand's small finger on A, and ring finger on S, and middle finger on D, and index finger on F and G both. Okay, in like a toggle you have to do. Okay, then thumb should be on your space bar, and to the right side you hold your index finger on H and J. Here you have one mark over F and J. Place your finger on a J, and you have to use this right index for H and J. Okay, hold your finger on J, then your middle finger on K, and your ring finger on L, and you have to place your small finger on the semicolon button, and thumb should be on the space bar. Both left and right thumb have to be on the space bar. Then you have to type ASDFG, then HJKL semicolon. Okay, and you should move in the meanwhile. If you want to type the letters which is above the means which is on the top, next line, means you have to move your small, if you want to type Q, means you have to move your small finger, type Q and place it back to the A. And if you want to type W, means move your left ring finger and press W and bring back to the same position. So type in such a way. So once again I am introducing the alphabets. On the middle line we have A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, and place a small finger on, right small on a semicolon. And on the top line you have to place Q, W, E, R, T and Y, U, I, O, P. And the last line we have Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. Okay, in this way alphabets are arranged. On the top line to the left we have a tab, and to the right we have bracket, and so on. To the left, on the second line to the left we have caps lock. Alphabet is in 3 line. On the top line to the left we have tab key, and in the middle line we have a, to the left we have a caps lock, and to the right we have a enter. And on the third line, means last line of the alphabet, we have left and right, we have a shift keys, left shift and right shift. And at last in alphanumeric, at last we have control keys, like control, window, alt. This is to the left of the space bar, and to the right of the space bar same alt, window and control. Here we have one more key, application key. It is not visible in all keyboard. Okay, but this keyboard it has a application key. This will do the function of right clicks. Okay, then I have told you we have a navigations like print screen, scroll lock. If you want to lock the scrolling, means press scroll bar, then pause and break. Then we have insert. Insert means it leads to the beginning of the document. Or in NVDA and all, it functions as a NVDA key. Okay, if you are using NVDA software, means it functions as an NVDA key. So next we have delete. Home means the beginning of the document, end means end of the document, page up means one page upside, and page down means downwards. Here we have a navigation. Again, navigation keys. Up arrow means it moves upside, down arrow means downside. If you want to move the cursor to the left side means left arrow. If you want to move the cursor to the right side means use right keys. And we have finally we have numpad. Here we have numbers. Number lock is on and off. This is on and off button, number locks. If it's in off mode, then this will function like arrow keys, like upward, downward, leftward, right, like that it will function. So here we have 0. If num lock is off, means this functions as a delete key. This decimal point, point key will function as a delete key if num lock is off. And we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then we have a, and at the last we have 0. Here we have a enter button, plus button, minus button, multiplication button means into symbol, and division symbol bar. This functions as a division symbol. So this is about the layout of a keyboard.